Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing a recent Shein order, and I'm so excited to pull this stuff out and look at it with you guys. I ordered a ton of toe tips because I literally didn't have any, and these right here are what I was most excited for. So I'm going to open those up first because I've been dying to get a look at these. They were like, I don't know, $3 or $5. I don't really remember. And I believe there's like 300 toe tips in here, and they're like a brown base pre-French tip type. And I'm so excited to try these out on my next set. I'm definitely going to use these. You get a nice amount. They have a really pretty big toe option, and I'm hoping that the rest are small enough for my toes. I think we should be good. I really can't wait to put these on. I still have my last set on. Here I'm just counting, just trying to see how many, and as you can see there is a lot of strips there. So, and it comes in this very nice little case, which I have to make an area for my toe tips because my stuff is kind of overflowing right now, and I don't know where I'm going to put any of these new boxes of toe tips, so I have to figure that out. And here we have a box of 550 soft gel tips. These are matte toe tips. So as you can see, you get so many. I'm just grabbing, well, they got a little mixed up during shipping. Not too terrible, but some of them were in the wrong spot. So I'm just like looking at that right now. This is a voiceover, obviously. So I'm just grabbing the biggest size for the big toe. And as you can see, they're matte. They are not super sharp. The underside also doesn't appear to be etched, but that's okay. I'm just telling you what I see. I'm not mad about it at all. This was so cheap. This was like $3 for this whole box. I don't know what TOR is. That's pretty funny, but it really doesn't matter. But yeah, you get so many. There's a nice amount of very small sizes. But yeah, like I said, these aren't super sharp. But I'm not mad about that. I like the shape. Honestly, I like short toenails. I don't like super long. Like, I don't know, I just feel weird. So I usually end up cutting everything down really short. So those work fine for me. Here we have another little set of toe tips right here. They're matte, and they're really cute. I don't know if these are looking small enough, but we'll see. We're gonna try everything out. I'm just re-looking at this, and yeah, I was trying to figure out if they were like sharper than each other, but the next set is sharp. Wow, I'm like making literally no sense right now. My god, I'm sorry. So yeah, those come in a bag. They don't have a case. And then right here we finally have some sharp square toe tips. I know a lot of people like this type better, but yeah, these are really nice quality. They're matte on both sides. They don't look like they'll be super long, so I'm excited about that. And they're very strong. As I was testing them out right here, I was super pleased with how strong they are. They were like reminding me of BTR Bucks, to be honest, and there's not even any gel on them yet. So there is 00 in here as well. Right here, I'm pulling that out, so that's like pretty crazy. I really like that. I don't think I'll necessarily need it, but that's a nice option for people because, you know, you're buying these to fit on your big toe, so you should have an option there for you. That little bottom part is also 00s. So yeah, here's a little up close look, and I can't wait to try them. And here's just me showing you the smallest size. I believe I pulled out the smallest size. So yeah, so excited. I am thrilled with all of those. Then I got this 4-in-1 rhinestone glue gel because I still have some left, but I wanted to make sure I like never run out. So I got this one. Those are the ingredients right there. It's a pretty small tube. It's 15 ml, but it has a really nice precision tip, which I love. So I'm not mad at that at all. I'm sure it works perfectly fine. And there's that. So next I got this Born Pretty nail glue. Oh my god. remover. I've been trying out a lot of nail glue removers lately, and the reason I really wanted this one was because it claimed to be able to remove press-on nail glue and UV glue. So I thought you were getting like a nice 2-for-1 little deal here, being able to remove both with just this one product. So here's the bottle right here. Inside the box, you also get this little plastic pusher stick and a little, like, I don't know what this is called. You see it right there. It's in case you want to like get some underneath your nail directly. So it says mild, acetone free. It's a 50 ml glass bottle. The packaging is so nice. There's your ingredients right there, directions and warnings. And it has a shelf life of 2 years, which is quite nice. I'm really hoping that this works well. I've been doing a number on my nails lately. I just can't be gentle, I swear. I take 1 step forward and 3 steps back, but it is what it is. So I'm going to put this back in the box because I'm not ready to open it and use it yet, but we have this and it looks super promising. Really nice packaging again, so thrilled about that. Okay, so now we're moving on to a couple of jewelry items that I picked out, and I was so excited for these. Right here we have a little, it's supposed to be, I guess, a Cartier. I don't know if I'm even saying that right. I just think it's super pretty, a ring dupe. I got a size 6 because I wanted it for my thumb, and it fits perfect and it's so pretty. I'm really happy with this. This was probably like my second thing I was most excited for. So we have that. I still have it on right now. I really like it. It had really good reviews. Next, I chose another ring. I was really feeling the gold, if you can tell. I don't know, I gravitate towards gold jewelry. So I have another ring. This is a really cute H ring. My name is Haley, obviously, if you didn't know that. Hi. Yes, so we have this. It's really pretty. Another yellow gold ring. It is, what's the word? Adjustable. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and I like it a lot. Next, I chose a gold little like choker. It's just a basic like chain. I didn't put this on in the video, but it's perfect. It's exactly what I was expecting, and I'm sure I will like it when I put it on. So there's that. These were all really cheap. They were like probably, if at most, $2 each. Wow, if I could speak, that would be like super fantastic. Okay, so last jewelry item is this little earring trio, and you'll see I'm like confused staring in the bag like where's the rest. I thought I had ordered enough for both my ears, but it was only a 3-piece. I should have gotten the 6-piece. My fault. So it's like the huggy type of earrings, like they're close to your ears. So yeah, I'm just annoyed at myself for not getting the right amount. Could you hear my daughter crying in the background for a second? I had to pause this. Comment me down below a baby emoji if you're still here listening to me talk through this. So here I'm just placing everything that I showed you back down. I'm taking like my thumbnail pictures, and I have one more thing that I want to show you that I bought the other day. Not the other day. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I want to show you these gel nail tips from Shein, but I bought them like separately, so I had already opened them, but you need to see them because it's such a great deal. So I got this whole box right here. It is 480 pieces, 16 sizes for $4. These are long almonds. I have been eyeing the Apres long almonds, but I really didn't want to buy them, and they finally have long almond nails on Shein. They would always have medium, or they would say long, but they were really medium. These are actually long. Do you see the difference? The nail tip I have on right there is a short almond, and look at the length difference. There are half sizes in the box. They are etched on the inside by the nail bed. There are size 00s in this box as well, so that's great for a lot of people, as well as, like I said, the half sizes. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited, so thrilled about this. Look at all those nails. Such a good deal. And so I got this new rechargeable nail lamp. Off of Shein, it was $15, so with shipping, I paid $20. I just really wanted to upgrade, and it's really, really nice. It holds its charge for a long time. It has 30, 60, and 99 seconds, and it has an on and off switch on the back, and obviously charging port. I'm really happy with this. And also this I got off of Shein a little while ago. I've used it quite a few times. This was like $12. It's one of those you know, what do you call it? Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. It's nighttime. I'm tired. One of these flesh cure lamps, and they work fantastic, both of these items. I am obsessed. I can't say enough good things, so don't be scared to order like bigger items like this off of Shein. And like sometimes the prices are really good, and also don't let that scare you. Like just read some reviews. A lot of the times pretty much all the products have been reviewed by somebody with pictures and stuff, so just make sure that you look at the reviews, and you should really be like good to go, you guys. Like you can totally get some good deals on there. You just gotta wait a little bit longer than like Prime 2-day shipping, but I mean these are like at least starting at $30 on Amazon, so I saved myself like $15+ and I saved myself getting this as well. So yeah, I just wanted to share these with you as well. I am waiting for another package from Shein. It should come in like a day or two. It's only like 3 items though. I got 2 pairs of slides for spring and summer, and I got a little pack of, I believe, short coffin nails. I'll probably end up sharing that in a really quick video, or maybe a short, I don't know. Let me know down below. Do you want to see the other 3 items? Yeah, the slides are really cute. I can't wait to see them. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to leave me a like, leave me a comment down below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. I would love to have you here, and I love you guys. I will see you in the next video.